Suede denim, we don't fold, we go get 'em. Bullet holes the size of coasters with slave vultures. Drive-by sauced on mopeds, Molly hatchets on co-eds. Copacetic, Lucas with the crocus, selling those in kamikazes. Prophecy like Jean Papa artillery. I'm top ostrich, stove vodka like Goose Gossage. Bandanas like hostages, fucking bitches in moccasins. Commissary full, throat, no vomiting. When I'm moving Joplin bundles is promising. Honest like Giancana, shoot up parties for dollar signs. Blow holes in your pastrami, cause my swami is infrared. Ripping holes in your head, put your body frozen, we dispose of your legs.
Yeah. A fucking boggle just to cave your shit. Us Midwest niggas are the craziest. I come to your home straight blazing shit. Those East Coast niggas is the craziest. I down a couple lean, then break a bitch. Them down south niggas is the craziest. I come across summers lost in my mind. Yeah, we floss, but at what cost? We pay with our lives, hit the block, let it pop off. Distribution rocks raw, packaging, we manufacture it to let the top off the new bins. Pretty hoes and new friends, blue 10 blunts of that good runts. It's a true blend of San Francisco's finest. You are the highest, I am your highness. Defy us, my lions will leave you lifeless. I'm from Van Dyke and Harbor, raised in the jungle. In a two-family flat, shit was bad, but we were humble. Focus, hope, fed us, the goodwill dressed us. Refuse to go to Kettering High, the kids were fresher. It's embarrassing when your mother does heroin. She did give you lunch money, now she don't know where it went. Trouble man, streets make me wanna holler. Went from a broke kid to a kingpin with power, motherfucker. King Gordy the Great. I grab a fucking boggle just to cave your shit. Us Midwest niggas are the craziest. I come to your home straight blazing shit. Those East Coast niggas is the craziest. I down a couple lean, then break a bitch. Them down south niggas is the craziest.
My descriptor's vindictive, a contemptible vomit. Home invader, hear the brain sufferable carnage. Choke your wife blue in uncomfortable garments. Monitor the gargling noise when the guttural started. Terroristic threats on the wall, a wonderful bardic. Authored in blood, plasma, a dysfunctional artist. Electric shock twice, they running full charges. In them shackled and harness, doesn't pull off quick. Muzzle buckles dig deep, bind to a hand truck. After the militant club and they mad you could stand up. Escape artists, these tea snacks through the handcuffs.